Hi. Welcome to the second challenge of the Law of Attraction, the Volkswagen Jetta Principle experiment. The Volkswagen Jetta Principle, you impact the field and draw from it according to your beliefs and expectations.
You impact the surrounding energy field, and your beliefs and expectations determine what you can draw from this energy field. In this experiment, we will spend 48 hours looking for evidence of the Field of Pure Potentiality, FP. FP is a universal, abundant, and loving energy field. We will also focus on specific objects to see if FP responds to our requests.
Experiment Principle.
This principle is named after a common car brand because once a new make, model, or brand enters your awareness, you start seeing it everywhere. The same result occurs when we focus all our energy on undesirable things. In our brainstem, there is a control center called the Reticular Activating System (RAS). Its main job is to select what it considers the most critical things to send to the active part of the brain and dismiss information it deems trivial. However, during this process, it is also busy translating, analyzing, and excluding anything that contradicts our beliefs. In other words, we have already rehearsed what we want to see in the world. Unfortunately, the scripts we chose are all wrong.
Experiment Steps.
For the next 48 hours this long, you will actively look for something that appears in your life. You can start with something relatively simple. In the first 24 hours of the experiment, you need to consciously guide yourself. Now in the coming day, I want to see something. I repeat, you don't need to do anything else. You just need to make this decision in your mind. Then, observe carefully and see if your awareness creates some extraordinary results in the number of something. The next day, that is, in the second 24 hours, you need to try to find some second something, but make sure you decide. This item can be something relatively uncommon.
We should record the number of times we see the objects during the experiment. Are you ready? Let's conduct the second experiment of the Law of Attraction together. Just write in the comments down below, I want to see X thing and Y thing. I provide a Google Doc file of the lab report below for you to record the experiment results. This simple experiment only takes 48 hours, yet it can prove that everything we see in life is actually what we want to see. It can also prove that you can get anything you want.
And the most crucial point is, it can prove that if you change the target you are looking for, you can eventually change everything that appears in your world.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions or suggestions or want to share your experiment results, please share in the comment section. See you in the next challenge. Until next time, take care.